You should just know, babe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diana. If you're not, thank you for returning. We're going to jump right into this wig install. I have a low hairline, as you see by the title. So basically, I do my wig installs differently. I do the ball cap method. Some people don't like to do it, but it's okay. Right now, I'm applying my Skin Protect. Skin Protect is very important for me. I don't know why I'm tongue-tied, but it's okay. It's a Friday night, and I'm you know, we just vibing out, so it's okay. Nothing has to be perfect. So I'm applying my tape. I stopped using tape. This is my last install with tape. I sweat heavy in my head, so I try not to use tape anymore because it just holds in the moisture. But it is really good for if you have a low hairline, because it actually lets you apply more glue. If you don't have a low hairline, you could just slap it on your forehead. I don't have a lot of forehead space, so it's okay. So this is my first layer of glue. I think I did about 3 layers of glue, and I just try to make sure that they're evenly distributed and it's flat. Now this is Bold Hold Extreme. I'm gonna try to use some more glues, because at the end of the day, I feel like Bold Hold is okay, but I'm sure that I can get a better hold. So I'm just gonna be using Bold Hold, like I said in this video. We're just going to make sure everything is evenly distributed. So this is my wig. This is a loose deep wave wig. It is so pretty. I still have it on to this day. I have to really let it live in its natural state, but I didn't feel like it in this video. So this is my second layer right now, and I'm just making sure that the wig is in place. I used to apply my glue and then try to like position the wig, and then the extra hair will be all over, because there's always like hair sticking out of the lace. So I try to make sure that the last layer of glue is applied while the wig is in position to be placed on my head. Okay, so I'm just using a tweezer. Yes, a tweezer, because I did not have a popsicle stick. You got to use what you got. I'm not going to stress out, and it still turned out good, so it's okay. You don't have to use all these fancy tools to get your hair done. So now we're going to lay the lace, and I'm going to hold it in position, and I'm going to push it down while I'm holding it. Now, lace tape is tricky because you would think that you took off both sides of the adhesive, but it literally is always a piece that's stuck to the glue, which is so annoying. So whenever I'm taking off my wig, I see that I have a piece of that clear adhesive, that like not adhesive, but it's like a clear plastic that I'm supposed to be taking off. So just be mindful when you're doing lace tape, because it would look like you took off that clear piece and it's still on your wig, because it happens to me every time. But either way, we're not using any more lace tape, so that's okay. So I'm just going to make sure that all the hair is out of the way, because we're going to start to band. I typically band for like 30 minutes. I try not to band for an hour. I don't, like I said, I don't know how EK does it. My ears are on fire. So I'm just going to take all the hair out the way and make sure that there is no stray hairs running around, because there's always that one strand of hair that tries to get trapped into the glue, and I can't stand it. But I'm going to take a comb, and I'm just going to make sure that I'm combing the lace inside of the glue, just pushing it in. Now I'm going to band. I hate this banding process, but this is the hair, and it's super pretty. Now we're going to begin to cut the lace. I like to use the eyebrow razor, but not too much, because I always end up cutting myself, but I'm getting a little better. So we're going to hot comb, we're going to comb it back, and we're going to make sure everything is laid into the lace. I always try to make sure that the lace is melted into the glue, because you do not want it to be popping up. So I'm going to go back and forth with my comb and my hot comb, just making sure that everything is in place. I actually saw that I needed to pluck a little bit more, so I'm just going to pluck. I am no way, shape, or form like a lace like legend yet, but we're gonna get there. So I'm gonna just tweeze, like I said, and just make sure that there is no hair out of place. I don't like when like one section is like super dark, but it's lace at the end of the day. You just try to make it look as natural as possible. So that's why you see me going back, looking, pulling it back, and making sure that there's no areas that look too dark and too bulky, especially at the hairline. You do not want that, trust me. So I'm just going to make sure that everything is good. Now I'm going to begin to cut my lace. I always do 3 slits, and I leave my ear tabs for last, because my ear tabs are just a whole nother situation in itself. So I just make sure that I have my slits. So when I begin to cut the lace with the eyebrow razor, I don't have any issues. I like to press it down and lift the lace up into the razor because, like I said, I'm always cutting myself. So now I'm going to do my ear tabs, and I'm just going to section them out. In my last lace tutorial, I basically showed you guys that I don't cut around my ear like directly, like I'll cut behind it and then I'll leave a little lace for in front of my ear, because I do love that eyebrow situation, not eyebrow situation, the low, what is it, my sideburn situation. So as you can see here, I'm parting it out and I'm just going to cut again. I just like you know, my sideburns, like my natural hair has sideburns. I just love sideburns. So as you see here, I'm just taking the razor and I'm placing it down and I'm pulling the lace up into the razor because I feel like that's the easiest way to cut it. When you use scissors, it looks too round, it looks too unnatural. So hey, it is what it is. My neighbors are always making noise, like I told you guys, very annoying. But we're gonna do the same thing on this side. We're just gonna part out around the ear, cut behind the ear, and then, you know, I cut in front of the my ear as well, just to make sure I have that sideburn situation that I love. I don't know, I just love it. So I'm just gonna make sure that everything is cut. I'm not leaving any excess lace. And now I'm gonna begin to do the ear tabs. I like to do the ear tabs last because, like I said, those are the first to come up. So I have to just make sure that I take my time. Laying lace, I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there one day, but I definitely have improved. So I just took a black wrap strip. Now I'm taking a lace band and I'm just gonna basically melt the lace while I curl my hair. So I'm just gonna let you guys see that. Just curling it with a wand curler, taking big sections and just splitting that. And I'll let you enjoy the curling portion and I'll be back.
I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe how you look to me. I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe how you look to me. And I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe how you look to me.
almost got married. And for Pete, I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, 'cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing. Said love and I love, but that's not what I see. So look what I got. Look what you taught me. Yeah, for that I say thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. I'm so fucking spend more time with my friends. I ain't worried about nothing. Plus I met someone else. We having better discussions. I know they say I move on too fast, but this one gon' last. 'Cause her name is Aubrey, and I'm so good with that. She taught me love, she taught me patience, how she handles pain. That shit's amazing. I've looked and I lost, but that's not what I see. 'Cause look what I found, and no need for searching. Yeah, what I say. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, thank you, thank you, so thank you next. Yeah, I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you next, thank you next, thank you next. I'm so fucking. One day I walk down the aisle, hold her hand on my mama. I'll be thanking my dad, 'cause she grew from the drama. Only wanna do it once real bad. Go make that shit last. God forbid something happens. At least the song is a smash. Got so much love, got so much patience. Learned from the pain. Turned out amazing. Turned out amazing. I'm alone, but that's not what I see. Look what I found. Ain't no need for searching. Yeah, what I say. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, thank you, thank you, so thank you.
Now I'm gonna take some lace jelly from Boho. I actually really do like this, and I'm just gonna push it into the lace. It actually does help the lace disappear, but lace at the end of the day, if it's not HD, it's gonna show. So you literally, I got a band on right now trying to hide the lace, baby. So yeah, like it looks really good, but then like once it gets like a day or two old, baby, you're going to be touching it up. But I like the lace jelly. I'm going to make sure it dries completely, and then I'm going to put some makeup on, and I'm also going to use some lace melting spray, because you just have to do these extra steps, like I said, if the lace is not HD. So I'm just taking a little brush. I'm just going to pat the makeup on top of the lace. I try not to use a lot of makeup after the initial application, because it does get caked up, so I try not to do that. But as you saw, I put the milk belt back on, not the milk belt, but the lace band on, and I'm just going to make sure that everything is in its place, because I'm going to set the style. This is actually the hair style I wore for my birthday, so I just wanted to make sure everything was in its place. So after I hot comb, I'm going to be using some Lotta Body mousse, doing my baby hair, and I'm going to be using some Fantasia liquid, what is it called? I think it's liquid mousse, just to make sure everything's in place. But I'm gonna let you guys see me struggle to do my baby hair, because baby hair is, I'm like I said, I'm getting better, but I'm not all the way there. So I'm gonna let you see me struggle with the baby hair, and I'll be right back.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I want is and the bitches are replay. Sit right next to you. You. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you would, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. You.
So like I said, I'm going to take my Lotta Body mousse, and I'm also going to take my Fantasia liquid mousse, comb it in place, blow dry it, and just make sure that everything is in its place. But the hairstyle is pretty much done. I'm just going to let you see me perfect my slick back. It was so pretty. Actually, really enjoyed this hairstyle. But I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial for low hairline girls. But if you don't have a low hairline, you can still use my tips. But just make sure that you are subscribing for more tutorials. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe like I said. And I will see you in my next hair tutorial. Bye guys.